Over the last number of years, we've heard a lot about literacy. Can you provide us with some examples of how Catalyst supports the development of the junior cycle key skill of being literate?
One of the key aims of the new junior cycle science specification is to help students develop their scientific literacy, which is defined as the ability to engage with science-related issues and with the ideas of science as a reflective citizen. In particular, actually, the science spec identifies the following key features of scientific literacy, namely an ability to explain phenomena scientifically, understand scientific inquiry, and also to interpret scientific evidence. So, as a means of activating the element expressing ideas clearly and accurately of the key skill being literate, the science specification suggests that students should experience learning activities that engage them in planning, drafting, and presenting scientific arguments, expressing opinions supported by evidence, and also explaining and describing scientific phenomena and relationships. In Catalyst, there are many literacy moments threaded throughout the textbook that provide students with opportunities to activate the different elements of the key skill of being literate. As an example, in biological world on the organisation of life, students are asked to develop a mnemonic to help them remember the 7 characteristics of living organisms. Another literacy moment, entitled As Dead as a Dodo, illustrates to students how scientific topics often permeate everyday language, and the literacy moment, Blood Transfusions and Blood Types, affords students the opportunity to develop their spoken language by encouraging a class debate around becoming a blood donor. In Catalyst, students are given multiple opportunities to form evidence-based opinions and arguments throughout science and society tasks. As an example, in Earth and Space chapter on sources of energy, students are asked to assume the role of an advisor to the Irish government and to write a report for the Taoiseach entitled The Pros and Cons of Building a Nuclear Power Plant in Ireland. As part of the Catalyst package, the dedicated Students' Keywords booklet is an excellent glossary of the words used throughout the book, and we believe will be an invaluable aid to students as they develop their language skills and, of course, the vocabulary of scientific words.